Question number 1 is asking you to graph a system of equations and then find the solution by looking at the graph. This second equation is already set up, so I'm going to go ahead and graph that right now. It starts at plus 6, which unfortunately is off the grid, but right there at the end of the arrow. The slope is negative 2, so I'm going to go down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1. Please make as many dots as you can on your grid before you connect them. It is an equals sign, so it does mean it's just a regular line. No shading, no dotted lines. The first equation, unfortunately, is not set up yet. We're going to need to rearrange this a little bit. I'm going to move the 4x over, and then everything is going to get divided by negative 2. So I'm going to write that up here where we have a little space. So if I move the 4x over, it's going to say negative 2y equals positive 4x minus 12. Remember, when you move something, it becomes the opposite sign. I'm going to divide everything by negative 2, so y equals negative 2x plus 6. Hold on. What we just created is exactly the same as what we already graphed. That means that both of these are exactly the same line, so I don't need to re-graph it. It's the same thing. It's itself. It's right on top of itself. So please remember, when it says solve, you're looking for where they cross. But if a line is right on top of another line, they are crossing everywhere. And does a line ever end? No, which means that there are infinitely many solutions. And you are welcome to abbreviate it IMS.